work out. We will see. This is, I'll give you the measurements. This is almond milk unsweetened. I have put Swerve in here. There's vanilla in here, cinnamon in here. In the comments or overlapping the video, I will put you the measurements. And this is supposed to make keto pudding. So let's see what happens. I'm going to put it in the fridge overnight. I'm making another batch. I figure we'll try a double experiment. This one is going to be chocolate pudding. I'll show you from down here how it's looking. I'll put the ingredients over this one for you. This actually smells really, really good. And I'm breaking up all these bits of chocolate here. Let's try it. It actually tastes good. It's a weird consistency. My husband's talking to me. He doesn't know I'm doing a video. Oh, hold on. Okay, this is the next day. You can see it it actually does look like pudding, except it looks like pudding and frog spawn. Because the chia seeds have swollen up. I put coconut in here. I'm going to have a taste. I'm just going to mix this. This is the vanilla. It has cinnamon in it. Let's have a taste. That was my vanilla and cinnamon. This is my chocolate. Let's look at this. Now, this looks like it's this is super liquid. I need more chia seeds in there. It has sat just as long as the other, but obviously I did not put enough chia seeds in. See how liquid that is? That's not like pudding. I'm gonna give it a taste though. Okay, the chocolatey is super liquid. Can you see that? I'm gonna try it. The flavor's not bad. It's too liquid though. I'm gonna put more chia seeds and see what happens tomorrow. I'm gonna try to turn this into a pudding pop. Let's see what happens. More popsicles with my extras, and the consistency is really, really nice to actually pour into these containers. So I'm hoping these taste great. So I'm using my extra chocolate pudding to make a cake of my own recipe. I'm going to put the measurements in for you over this. So I'm just going to mix this up really, really good. I'm going to bake it in here.